How to set up Windows 11 without Microsoft account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily set up your Windows 11 in your device without Microsoft account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, this is the first phase you will see while setting up Windows 11 in your device. So choose your country or region, but don't click on the yes option, as if you click it, you will be able to require to Microsoft account. What we'll do is, we will open the command prompt in our device and we will write a command. That is OOBB/bypass NRO. Once you have typed this command, click on enter and this command will turn off the internet connection in your device. And once the internet connection is turned off, the feature while setting up Windows 11 will be limited. So now in the country or region page, click on yes. After that, in the next page, as you can see, let's connect you to a network. You simply need to choose the option of I don't have internet in the below option. Once you click that, you need to click on continue with limited setup. And once you do so, you won't be able to log in with your Microsoft account to set up Windows 11 in your device. The next step is to enter your name and then click on next. And the last step is to enter your password for your Windows 11. And then click on next, then you're good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can set up Windows 11 in your device without Microsoft account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.